Hey guys, today I am doing what happens if you bring slime to school, and I have slime right there. Sorry if the background is annoying. I'm just really hot. It's really hot out, so I opened my window and it's just shining in here. Alright, so let's get moving on to the video. And shout out to Country HD. Now, let's get moving on to the video. So, yeah. Is that slime? Yeah. Why? Can I touch it one time, please? Please? Oh, fine, okay. But don't stretch it that much, and make sure to go fast with your hands. And don't drop the slime all over the place. Got it? Okay, I promise. Okay, here. You can use it, but only for a minute. Thank you so much! Ooh. 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 This is so cool. Okay, can I have my slime back now, please? I really need back. I have to have it back, please. Oh, man. Okay. Here, you can have it back. Okay, thank you. So relaxing. I'm bored. All right, class, time to go home. Okay. Bye. See you tomorrow. Oh, bye. See you tomorrow. Finally, it's over. One day later. My favorite foam slime. I don't want anyone touching this one. Hi! I see you brought another slime. Can I feel it, please? I promise I won't stretch it or touch it. I promise. Please, I beg you. Please. Okay. But you better not do any damage to it. Don't get hair in it or anything. Don't drop it. Promise me? Oh, yes, I promise. I really do. Please. Please. Okay, fine, but only one squish. Okay? Oh my god, thank you so much. Thank you. This is so nice. Uh-oh. I got paper in it, guys. Excuse me? Do you know I heard you? You said there was something in it. What is it? Nothing. Here, just take it. Please. Bye. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video roleplay of what happens if I bring my slime to school. And I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, peeps.